Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download Revo Uninstaller Pro for free. Downloading that, click on Window key and then open Microsoft Store, and inside Microsoft Store on the search bar, search here Revo Uninstaller. So here you can see Revo Uninstaller Pro is showing. Now click on Install to download this. So here you can see it is downloading. So this will take a few seconds according to your internet speed. So here you can see it is installing. If any pop-up shows, click on yes. So while using this, you can uninstall softwares and remove unwanted programs easily from your computer. So here you can see it is installed. Now click on open to launch it. So here you can see it is launching. You can choose whichever theme you want to. So I am choosing dark. So here you can see this is showing all the programs in my computer. So from here I can uninstall whichever program I want to. So this makes easy to uninstall the programs from our computer. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.